I was introduced to 90 during the implementation of EOS at our business. We've been running it probably almost 4 years now, and I couldn't imagine implementing or managing EOS using anything else. I've seen it managed through spreadsheets and other forms of paper and online shareable documents, but 90 is a game changer for anyone who's considering EOS. What I love about it is how it brings so many different things together in one place, so seamlessly and easy to manage. I think it's clearly changed how we run our day-to-day business and manage our companies. We are a family office, so we oversee 10 different portfolio companies, and it helps us gather information and keep track of things, the most important things, in one place. Like most people, we've got people working all over, so it's very helpful to have that central tool that's so easy to learn. We're sort of an old school business with later generation employees, and so the adoption of it was concerning, but people have picked it up fast, and I think people have accepted it and really begun to love it. So highly recommend it. Thanks to Chris Schneider and the leaders at Impact Architects, and all the best.